Hey everybody, Josh here at Portside Marine. Today we got a super clean, loaded 2021 BlackJack 224 bay boat. Moving around here to the back, we've got the VMAX Show 250. Got it set on a 12-inch jack plate. Two Minn Kota Raptors. It's got the backrest, rear cushion, Yeti cooler underneath the leaning post. Let's get in the boat. Looks like we're gonna have a VHF with the antenna, so built-in VHF, shipped to shore. Simrad NSS 9, Fusion stereo system, some Fusion speakers down there. Let's move around here to the back. Let's check out our switch panel here. There you go. Tilt steering. Up in the front, we got two cushions, followed by, looks like it's gonna be an ice chest here, storage in front. So this one here could be a little ice chest. It's actually decently sized. Storage in here. And that's going to be a full custom cover. Let's go ahead and load. All right. Rod storage underneath both of these cushions here. Minn Kota Altera trolling motor. That's going to have the spot lock capabilities. It's coming down inside here. Tackle storage. With the tackle storage, we're gonna have our battery charger in there, our Fusion control module, trolling motor batteries, looks like a 36 volt. We got more storage here. Washdown pumps. Live well. I forgot to show we have a front live well and a rear live well in this model. Storage in this compartment here. But check out the room in this boat. Very wide bow, plenty of room. Let me see if how I can make this look. Very wide bow, capable of two guys to fish up front comfortably. And even here in the back, plenty of room. Two guys to fish here as well. Very comfortable boat. Look them up. BlackJack boats, the 224. Only here at Portside, Orlando. We have a 2021 in the black color, super clean. Check us out, portsideorlando.com.